Okay.
Hi everyone and happy Halloween from Japan. We have a special episode actually this year. I'm here with my very good friend Tomomi, and we're actually going to broadcast the reaction because I've never actually seen this before.
Oh.
But Tomomi suggested that this year for Halloween we eat something called
Tuna eye.
tuna eye. So we're actually going to cook tuna eyeballs for Halloween, which I think is a fantastic idea.
Oh.
And I haven't seen them yet. So please reveal what is going to happen. Oh my goodness me!
Don't be surprised.
Oh my goodness me!
It's good for Halloween.
It's good for Halloween. Oh my goodness me! Look at that!
It's tuna.
Look at that! Oh my goodness!
Tuna. Wow.
Oh my goodness me! Tuna eye.
Let's cook.
Well, I could. They smell very, very fishy.
Yes, strong smell, but it's very healthy food.
Very healthy food.
Yeah, but Japanese don't usually cook and usually don't eat this one.
It's rare to eat
it's
in
really
Japan.
special.
It's
I
special.
can see it in izakaya or some special place to
Yeah.
provide tuna
Yeah.
materials, but
Yeah.
I've never seen it in normal supermarket. But
Yeah.
I went to Tsukiji market this morning and I got it.
Thank you so much. So we're very good friends, and Tomomi's a great cook. But this is the first time we're actually going to eat together in your home, because we were usually out partying in restaurants and stuff like that. But anyways, we're going to have this experience and we're going to video a little bit. Just cooking in Tomomi's home, and it's a very unusual dish to be eating here for the first time. But if it's okay with you, Tomomi, I will record some of this process.
Yeah.
This is incredible. So how are we going to cook this? How are we going to cook this?
Yeah, I usually use Japanese sake, shoyu,
Oh.
and small dashi, and sugar. That's all.
Well,
And boiling.
that actually sounds delicious.
Yes.
But it has health benefits. So what are the health benefits of these eyeballs?
This tuna eye contains a lot of DHA and EPA. You know
I don't.
it's something healthy material.
Yeah.
It makes blood smooth.
Oh,
Yeah,
right,
that's why
right.
it's good for brain.
So it's good for anemia then.
Yes, yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good for the brain.
Yeah, brain. because
brain food.
has, good.
I can't believe this. I can't believe we're going to do this.
Wash her first.
I actually don't know what I feel right now. I mean, I've eaten a lot of foods in the world, but this is a first. This is a first. So how long does it take to cook?
I think just 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah, it's easy to boil.
Wow. So
because of fish.
So let's record the process, Tomomi. Let's
Turn on water. My hands very smelly.
It does have a very strong smell. But if I close my eyes, I need to eat it with a blindfold.
It's fish market smell.
So you went to Tsukiji this morning.
Yes.
Tsukiji or Toyosu?
Tsukiji.
Tsukiji is still
Tsukiji.
there?
Yes. Outside market is still there.
Is that right?
Yeah. Only public one is moving to Toyosu.
Shinarokata. I
Oh.
did not know that. So Tsukiji still exists.
Yeah, I prefer Tsukiji.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, easy to go.
Me too. Am I in your way? So I'll stand on this side.
I'm sorry.
So we're going to boil tuna eye, or we're going to stew it.
Yeah. Boil.
Yeah. So Tomomi, you cook many foods from around the world, don't you? You like French food and many foods you cook. Tomomi is Master Chef Yokohama.
No. Hopefully.
Yes. Well.
Hopefully. Dashi.
So this is a very, very unusual experience for friends to be doing together for our first time cooking together is tuna eye.
Yes.
We will never forget this experience.
Yes.
You saw it here first on the Culture Cave. This is what we do in Japan.
Many people are saying, "What are you doing?"
What do you usually do when you know, how do you spend time with your friends? How do you enjoy your time together? Well, we like to cook tuna eye. Yeah, so dashi, for anyone who hasn't done the washoku cooking before, dashi is
dashi.
It's from the bonito, which is the Japanese fish flakes, and dashi is from that, isn't it?
It's sugar. This is sugar.
This is sugar.
Yeah, I put dashi first and this one sugar.
Yeah. So how would you describe dashi to people who've never experienced dashi? It's like a fish soup, isn't
Fish
it?
soup, yes.
From bonito, from tuna flakes, right?
Yeah.
And it's used in a lot of the base. The base is a lot of Japanese cooking. This is Japanese sake.
It's mirin.
Mirin.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of sake but sweet one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And sake. Sake. And
here we go.
here we go.
It's like witch's cauldron. Oh my goodness me! So it's going into the dark soup. This is just the best Halloween meal ever.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh.
Get a look at that.
Wow.
Oishiso.
You really think so?
I don't know. I feel numb right now. I feel numb.
When I did it with my French friend, he sent all picture to his old French friends and European friends, and they said, "Oh no."
I can't believe it, and you're going to put the lid on. Okay. So part 2 coming soon. We're going to boil this for how many minutes?
Maybe first 5 minutes.
Yeah. Well, it smells good now because we've put the dashi in, so it actually smells quite nice. And the sugar. 5 minutes, and then we'll do a part 2 when we sit down at the dinner table and have it. So looking forward to that. You're watching the Culture Cave. This is Tomomi's debut on the channel. Actually, you were on the Nico. Yes, but okay, so semi-debut. And see you soon for part 2. Happy Halloween 2022. Bye!